4 body language secrets you must learn for success. Without saying so much as a single word, we tell the world all about us, constantly. This is why body language is so important in everything you do. Intimidated? There's no need to be. Thankfully, body language is relatively simple to master once you know 4 essential things. Posture. We slouch a lot. Most people don't have good posture, whether it's because of fatigue, habit, or just the way we relax when we're sitting or standing. What you need to remember is that poor posture is seen as an indicator of boredom or disinterest. It's considered sloppy and unprofessional, and definitely lacks confidence. How to fix your posture? Pull yourself upright with your chin up and head high. Throw your shoulders back a little, but not too far, enough so that you're not hunched. Your arms should hang loose and casually at your sides. If sitting, put both feet firmly on the ground, with legs not crossed or tucked away under your chair. Gestures. Arms pressed in tight against your body, or worse, crossed, indicate you're unapproachable or not ready to communicate. Instead, use gestures as you speak, engaging not just hands, but your whole arm as well, but not extending above the shoulder height. Pay special attention to your hands. An open palm up and out is more expansive and open than keeping your hands closed or aimed at the floor. Eyes. Eye contact is of such importance, a lack of it will actually tank you on a job interview. When speaking, it's even more important to maintain excellent eye contact. Make sure you meet the eyes of each person you're talking to. Not sure when to look? A quick glance every time you finish making a point keeps you informed of whether or not your message is being well received and understood. Where not to look? Walls, ceilings, in short, anything that leaves you staring somewhere other than the people you're talking to. Eyes should always be on your audience. Expression. Are you smiling? That may or may not be a good thing. Your audience is always watching your face, so follow these quick tips for the best success. Make sure your face is unobstructed. That means hair neat and back, no hands in or on your face. Open, genuine expression. Only smile if you're genuinely feeling it. Otherwise, it rings false. Keep your face pointed at your audience, not at the floor or off to the side. These quick tips should be enough to get you on track. Remember, body language takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself while learning. It will get more natural to the point where it's second nature and success is yours.